dead.
Still guys down there shooting.
They threw smoke. Okay, his friend is on north.
Yep, he's running.
Knocked one. He's in the blue now. He was looking below him at somebody, so.
Dead.
I got blood out.
This is bad.
Yeah, there are guys there.
Five left.
All right, there is nobody this side of the safe.
Yeah, there's one. Two of them over there. Maybe one. You motherfucker. I'm heading. Yeah, there's three to the left and one or two to the right.
Oh, I got shot.
I hit that guy at the tree. There's one to the right of that smoke, watch out.
He's by the rock. Take care. I'm gonna throw some smokes.
Uh-oh. See you.
Yeah,
Nope.
throw some smokes. Alright, let's move to the safe and just wait down.
I'm gonna wait for this guy to move before I get up to him. Oh, fuck, he hit me.
Where's he at?
That tree, 220, across the road.
Oh, he is?
This guy to your right, though, careful.
I got the middle of the safe.
Knocked him.
Nice.
Knocked him at the tree.
Good job, dude.
Good job.
Thanks. But I don't know where his buddy is. Oh, yep, there's
to the
another
right.
tree 10. He's at the tree 10.
Dead.
Damn. Alright.
I got you.
Get him fast.
Get
him
up here.
fast.
Oh shit, we got one left, wherever he is. I think he's over at 50, but I don't know.
I think he's in north. Prepare grenades.
I'm full health.
Oh, he's behind. He's behind.
Where?
60 in the ground. He's in the ground. Okay, I'm gonna walk to him. Here in front of me. He's in front of me. In front of me, like 10 meters.
Oh my god, dude.
He's in the ground. Dude,
Let's see.
I'm gonna run.
yeah, just stay there. He's laying down there, in front of you. See?
Oh, he's
To
to
the
the left,
left,
to
yeah.
the
He's
left.
left. He made it to the tree.
I thought he was real close. I didn't know he was that far away.
Yeah, I didn't realize.
Okay, use full boost. Full boost. Full boost.
Yeah, I'm working it.
Throw a flare gun.
Pushing him out.
Alright, you go to the right and Kai go to the left. At the
Hold
same time.
on.
Yep, ready? You go to the smoke, I'm going the other way.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Go. Hell, he's on me.
Yep. Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
GG.
Nice game, guys.
Holy fuck, he was behind me all the time, laying down the grass. What the fuck?
I thought he was right by the trees, what you meant. Like where you died, I'm
No,
throwing
he
my
was
frags
like-
all over there.
He was 3
Yeah,
feet
me
from
too.
What the